In 2025, I had millions of followers that I deleted. And now I'm rebuilding again on all the same platforms I deleted from scratch. You'll love hearing the story of why. Why did I do this? And how am I rebuilding with everything I've learned today? Well, there's a bunch of reasons why, so we'll start with that. Here's why I deleted millions of followers in 2025. I was burned out. I'd uploaded so many videos and I wasn't happy with the money I was making, and I wasn't happy in my marriage. So I deleted everything. I thought that I'd feel better if I got a real life skill like being a massage therapist, and because I love massage. So I went to massage school. My now ex-wife was really happy with that, but I got to massage school and I'm like, this sucks. And this is never going to work for me. And I quit, and then I got divorced right after that. I tried to write books and figure out a local business I could do, but it turns out I'm really good at being a content creator, and doing anything else just seems to suck by comparison. That's why I deleted everything in 2025, burnout and, my personal life. Now it's like, why am I starting everything from scratch? And how can I stand to start when I had millions of followers? I had a Facebook page with 2.5 million followers. I had YouTube channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, X accounts, 10,000 plus followers, and Instagram, 10,000 plus followers, TikTok, 30,000 followers, LinkedIn, I forget. But I'm restarting, creating on all these platforms from scratch after deleting them last year, because this is the easiest way I know to make money online. I literally just do videos, then send people to my website at jerrybanfield.com to schedule calls, to join my Skool community, to join my chat for lifetime, to pay for coaching, and I just work from home and print money. It's so easy compared to getting a regular job. And I have developed skills. I've been doing this since 2011, so I know a thing or two, and I don't have any kind of expertise that would transfer that well anywhere else. Plus, I can't stand the idea of ever applying to another job again. I have worked with my own business for 14 years, and the idea of doing what someone else tells me to do, no one is going to tell me what to do ever again the rest of my life, which makes me pretty much unemployable. So I need to print money online to keep this whole thing going. I am so dedicated to being a full-time content creator that I've literally borrowed like $70,000 or $80,000 in 2026 so that I could rebuild what I already deleted in 2025. And the advantage of that is that now I am single. So now I can just film like crazy, and I'm not married to someone who doesn't like what I do. And now I see what worked on all these platforms before. The benefit of me deleting millions of followers is I also got a fresh start, which gave me clarity. I started off building just on YouTube first, because YouTube is the #1 platform for discovery. This is the place where you can do videos like these and build up like I have millions of times in just 5 months. My videos on YouTube have been seen millions of times. And I started with YouTube, then I expanded to X, and my videos on X have been seen over 500,000 times in the same time frame. And now today, I started up TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and technically I'm still going to create that LinkedIn account because there's a bunch of additional reach on these. And I've made an insane system where I can just crank out one video like this, recorded horizontal and vertical at the same time. And then I use AI to take the vertical and turn it into clips and then upload all that. And it just prints money. Like, I'm grateful, even with starting from scratch 5 months ago, I made over $1,000 in the last week from my website at jerrybanfield.com for people scheduling calls, joining my Skool, paying to join my chat lifetime, and paying to talk to me now. And I've got coaching packages on there, like a creator coaching package that's going to print money too, because there are not that many people in the world who know all that I know about content creation and are actually available and ready to coach you. The challenge is, if you want to be a professional, I am a professional. This is what I do full time. I do it every day. And what I know, if you want to be a professional at this, you got to show up no matter how you feel. When I was building these platforms before, I was very emotional and up and down and inconsistent. And that was kind of how I was locked in with my marriage and my lifestyle also. I ended up being the woman in the relationship and having all these emotions, and it crushed my work. So I got divorced, and now I've gotten back into my consistency, my masculinity, and being grateful for these platforms. Because when I started going to massage school, then I tried to do local businesses. My God, being able to just talk and say what I want to within reasonable community guidelines and just upload that and print money, that's a really good deal compared to what most people do for work. However, many people who try and do what I do are delusional, thinking you can do what I do without knowing what I know and being who I am. I am one of the best content creators in the world in terms of cranking out acceptable quality videos rapidly. And literally in this one video, it's going to result in one long form video and several shorts. And I'm able to do all of that. I can take 3 or 4 hours a day and among all these platforms make hundreds and hundreds of posts that I'm publishing. And I'm setting myself up to just have millions and millions and millions of views every single week, starting from scratch in 2026, because people really care about human content today. And there's so many AI generated like videos and podcasts out there already. What's unique is that I have a real human story, and you can tell by my tone that I'm not an AI model. You can feel that I'm a real human with emotion. It's not just a robot talking about this and that. When you watch my videos, they're unpredictable. You don't know what I'm going to do, and that makes me a great content creator. And I love that I deleted these platforms in 2025 because yes, there's a lot of toxic garbage on these platforms. Yes, you could argue an entire generation has been destroyed by watching all the garbage on these platforms. You could argue that the majority of content on YouTube and X, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn is just toxic content, destroying people, wasting people's time, pumping dopamine, and leaving people overall dumber than they were and more disconnected and sad and lonely. Yes, and I would say that's the majority of content on these platforms. And I deleted everything in 2025 because I'm like, I don't want to participate in this landfill anymore that is social media and content creation. But then I tried to go out and share my ideas with people locally. And I dropped thousands and thousands of letters door to door, sent hundreds of letters in the mail. And it turned out almost nobody was interested in anything I had to say. And almost nobody wanted to give me money for anything. So these platforms, while they do have a dark side, they do have fantastic potential also to be used to make people's lives better. And I'm grateful that my videos that are here to help you reach your power, to wake up, to not be a drone, a bot, to throw off all of these toxic narratives and insane ways of living and useless, disempowered ways of thinking. I'm grateful that my videos are getting out there to a substantial audience. And then a fraction of you are going to my website and actually paying me to get even closer. And that's awesome. And I can do that from the comfort of my own home. And I've got the best studio I've ever had before. Not only that, I have the most people watching my vlogs. The most time people are spending watching me just talk about my day ever. I've made a vlog series. I got content that's helping people with all this crap in crypto. I coach content creators. I've got gaming content. And I even have a dating channel. I started dating my YouTube. One of the first content I put up on YouTube in 2011 was dating videos. And now that I'm divorced, my dating videos are even better. So I'm really grateful that I can use these tools like this, that I can coach and help other creators like this. And that even after deleting everything, I've still been able to come back and get rolling again in less than 6 months and start making thousands of dollars a month. Why? Because I'm helping a whole bunch of people all over the world with tough problems like crypto, dating, sharing my authentic life, content creation. I'm entertaining people with my gaming videos. I'm giving a crazy amount of value. I've uploaded over 600 videos in the last 4 months, and most of them only went to YouTube and a few went to X. Wait to see what happens when I expand. I also know I was just doing YouTube when I restarted, but the problem is you don't want to be locked into one platform. One platform, the algorithm could leave you behind. You could get banned or demonetized. You want to, and I just saw my friend yesterday and she was showing me how she's getting millions of views on Instagram. She's not making any money off it though. I'm like, if I was getting millions of views on Instagram, I'd be making money off that because people be coming to jerrybanfield.com and buying my $1,000 a month creator coaching package, or buying my books, or buying my $96 a month or a lifetime chat, or buying my $9 a month or $80 a year Skool. I would be making money off of those views. And well, you need to upload to Instagram if you want to get Instagram views. Plus, I'm single. And when a woman at yoga gets my Instagram and sees my Instagram with all these videos and all these followers that will come into it, right now I have 0, but at the time of recording this, but when a woman sees what I do on Instagram, she might actually get turned on. I mean, that might not be the average thing that happens, but we're looking for an outlier. And there's so many times where it's like, I might have got discovered by a woman who liked me on Instagram, or I could have made a connection, but I didn't have it. And I complained about it. So if you can't beat them, then join them. If they're taking people down, then go in. It's like me getting back on these platforms is like I got unplugged from the Matrix for a while last year, and now I'm back in the Matrix to try and unplug other people. So if you're supporting me, thank you. I am making my videos a little shorter so I can make more of them and have more time to upload them to all these other platforms. And I'm going to show you the system I use to film all this stuff and to get it done super fast. And if you want to be a professional like me, get my coaching. I'll help you make systems that you can crank out your best content rapidly like I do, and then have a lifestyle like I do, where I play tennis, I get massages, I have my kids, I go out on as many dates as I can. And lately there have been more canceled than I've actually been out on. And I go to AA meetings. I have an awesome life. And this content all supports that. And my content helps people all over the world with that I never would get to help otherwise. So I appreciate your love and support. And I hope to see you and get to know you at jerrybanfield.com.